Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching this video. Today, I want to talk about the OLSP Academy. This academy was created by Wayne Crow, and it's been around for about 10 years now. And I use this program to learn about affiliate marketing, how to build an email list, how to how to generate leads, how to turn those leads into sales, all of that. And this is a great program to help you learn affiliate marketing from the beginning. And also, as an advanced affiliate marketer, you can still learn some great things about how to create products that you can sell yourself, and how to create other opportunities, how to do webinars, things like that in order to sell your products. So it has a little bit of everything for people who are just beginning in affiliate marketing all the way to advanced. Okay, so on my screen right here is called the Megalink. One link, you earn 100% commissions, and they pay you to learn how to use it. So it's an earn as you learn type system with the Megalink. The Megalink is only $7 one-time investment, and you get complete access to the OLSP Academy. So this is what you get. You get to earn before you're ready. Real commissions hit your account while you're still in the training. 100% of every commission goes directly to you. No splits, no thresholds ever. Zero tech required. Your personal Megalink is set up instantly. It tracks everything automatically. They have free traffic methods only that you can share on platforms you already use. Spend nothing on ads. You can learn about Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, TikTok marketing. Live coaching at least 3 times per week. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Sometimes they'll have like a week-long training challenge that they do like Monday through Friday, but usually it's around 3 days a week. You get real Q&A sessions involved, so you can ask questions and get your questions answered by Wayne Crow directly. And it's also showing real results happening live. Okay, so it's only $7 for this Megalink. I'll leave a link in the description area and also in the pinned comment below this video, where you can go ahead and get started with the Megalink. But let me show you inside OLSP Academy. Okay, let me go over to that. Okay, so this is what the OLSP Academy looks like. And when you first join the Megalink, you're going to get a couple of videos. I don't have them up here now because I'm in an advanced level, but there's 2 videos that you would watch to help you get started with your Megalink. And there's also a section over here called the Skill Center. Okay, so when you click on the Skill Center, there's going to be some courses available to you. As a Megalink owner, let me click on that. You'll have 6 videos right now that you can go through to help you get started with the Megalink. There's several videos under this. Facebook 101, The Journey to 1 Million, Viral Hub Training, Traffic Challenge, and List Building, TD Pages, and the Magic Link. Okay, so you may not know what any of this like TD Pages and Magic Link mean, but you will learn once you go through this training. There's like 5 videos in this training right here. So these are the 6 trainings that are available for you back here in the OLSP Academy as a Megalink owner. Okay, you can also earn as you learn by joining some of the live trainings that they hold throughout the week. You will earn $5 per live training, up to 6 of those live trainings. So you can earn up to like $30 just by attending 6 of those live trainings. Okay, and they do have an affiliate section back here. I can click on that to show you what I've been doing with this. All right, I've been with them for a few years, but I had to stop for a while because of health reasons. But I'm back now, and as you can see, I've been earning some money since I've been back. My lifetime earnings are around $628. Okay, So they do make it really easy for you to invite others and earn. You can earn commissions from them and stuff. So you can invite people to these live trainings once you're a Megalink, once you're part of the Megalink. You know, you can invite people to these trainings, and if they join the Megalink, you're going to earn 100% commission, and that's $7, okay? And they do have other levels. I am at the community builder level of OLSP Academy, okay? And as you can see right here, current level community builders, okay? So I'm earning like 200% commissions on the Megalink, which is $14, okay? And I also earn second tier commissions. But you'll learn about the other levels that are available, like the life profit builders, the community builders, and they also have a VIP level, okay? But you don't have to be at those levels to start earning money with OLSP. Just get the Megalink and start promoting your Megalink on social media for free. And when people sign up and also join the Megalink, you'll earn 100% commission, the $7, okay? So I just wanted to make a quick video talking about OLSP Academy. I'll be talking more about this in future videos, going over some of the other functions of OLSP Academy. One other thing I want to mention is that they do have a community page here where you can get questions answered here. You can post your questions here. You can post something about yourself here, and people will respond or will reply to your posts. And also any successes that you have in OLSP Academy, you can post them right here, okay? So all the information will be back here. All right, so again, the first thing you want to do once you join the OLSP Academy with the Megalink is to watch the 2 videos that will be on the first page of the OLSP Academy, and then go through the Skill Center, where you have all those trainings, those 6 basic trainings for the Megalink, to show you how to use your Megalink, how to promote it on social media for free. And so you don't have to use paid traffic, paid resources in order to generate leads for your new business, okay? So go ahead and I'll leave that link again in the description area below, and I'll also leave it in the pinned comment. Just click that link, you'll go to this page. You can watch this video by Wayne Crow, and just click here. Get started for only $7, one-time investment, okay? So go ahead and do that. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.